So they are delivering the tractor. Here's the tractor and the Bush-Hog implement. Danke. So he is showing Janae how to bush hog because he has never bush hogged before.
I'll turn it off so we can hear each other. It has your gears listed here. Up, and that way would be third gear.
Oh, up.
That would be a high gear for
High
fast.
gear, okay.
If you want to go slow,
Just going on one, right?
go down
Oh, go down, okay.
and over.
Oh, okay. That's a 5, right?
That's right. You got 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
They offset these because one's a lot faster.
Oh, okay. Oh, a lot of one faster, huh?
Yeah, one's
Which
a little
one
bit
is lower? This is maybe.
The 1 gear is low,
Oh, okay.
and the 5 is the fastest.
Oh, okay.
But probably no 5 because that's really fast.
Oh, okay.
So 3, 4.
3, 4.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
To bush hog, to cut, you want to be in 2 or 3.
Oh, 2 and 3. Okay.
Yeah, to do this.
Okay.
And you want it revved up.
Just like a gas pedal, you just.
That's right,
Yeah,
just like a
kinda,
gas
yeah,
pedal,
yeah,
but it'll stay.
Okay.
It'll stay.
Oh, okay.
That's low,
Okay.
that's high.
That's high.
Okay.
Okay.
Clutch.
Clutch, yeah.
Clutch to change the gears.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right brake, left brake,
Oh, okay.
or both.
Both. Oh, okay.
See?
Okay. Okay.
This, up and down.
Yeah, up and down.
Up and down. That's
Oh,
down.
that's low. Yeah.
That's down.
Okay.
That's up.
Okay.
Do you mind bush hog one line to show him?
Do one time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
Show him so that, and then you watch him do it before
Okay.
you leave.
Yeah, that's fine.
We've never done it before.
That's okay. Yeah, I understand.
So he's going to show us how to bush hog.
You may want to adjust.
Oh, okay.
You can spin and let up and down too.
Oh, okay.
Turn this
Okay.
to adjust it.
It's just high, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
This too. This will make it do like this.
Level it
That's
up.
right.
Oh, okay.
Probably won't have to do this.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty good right
Okay.
there.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
When you turn it on,
Here's the bush hog.
roll it up a little bit. You don't want it all the way down.
Oh, okay.
It hits something.
Okay.
Get it going. leave this tire on the inside of the last row. Okay. Match it up first. Okay.
I'm still learning.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh
You'll
my
have to try
goodness.
and learn.
Renee is going to try the bush hog. Let's see.
What? Rev it up. You have to wait until that stops turning to crank it.
Oh, okay.
It'll stop it.
Wow. Woo. It's gonna be a lot of hard work. This is a whole yard. I have to do a whole
It's not just yard, acres and acres.
It's a lot. Hey, do a little bit, rest for a while. Oh yeah. Do a little bit, rest for a while. Yeah. It'll get done.
I haven't get the gas yet, so maybe.
You got 4 gallons in there right now.
4 gallons? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that'll get you started.
Okay. Let me start it one more time.
Okay.
It's just start, right?
Yes, sir. And it has to be in neutral.
Oh, has to be.
Has to be in neutral.
Now it started.
That's right. Uh-huh.
Oh, I gotta turn it.
Turn the key on.
Okay.
If you try, let's say it's like that, and you turn it on, it won't do nothing.
Oh, no, nothing. Oh, okay.
So you'll say, uh-oh, neutral.
Good.
So push forward. See, top, neutral, bottom.
Oh, okay.
Bottom, neutral, top.
Okay.
So in the middle,
Middle is a neutral.
yep,
Okay.
you crank every time.
Okay.
You have any trouble, you call my dad, call me.
Okay.
We'll help you out.
Okay.
Anything you need.
Okay. Yeah.
And we appreciate it. Yeah.
How do you feel, Janae?
Hey, feel good.
Feel good? Happy? Happy that you got your
Well,
tractor?
It's kind of
now the
new
work,
to me.
Yeah, now the work comes.
It's kind of new to me, but
You'll get used to
I'm
it.
learning.
Yeah, you'll get used to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
The more you drive it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.